Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to make vertical video using OBS. Here you can see I opening my OBS. I'm recording this video using this OBS, and then how to make it a portrait or vertical video on OBS. Follow these steps. Firstly, of course, you open your OBS Studio and then click File. Here you can click Settings, and then this kind of window will be showing up, and then you can see this is videos, and then you can see this is the canvas or the resolution. Because I'm now recording on my OBS, I can't or unable to change the resolution. So here you can see change the resolution. When you click this drop down, maybe you couldn't find the option, drop down option. You can write it by yourself to make it vertical. To make it portrait, you can write it 1080 or 1080 times to 1920, or this is the full HD resolution. And then you just swipe this vertical and horizontal. You can type in on your screen of OBS, and then after that, this is the output. You can scale it up or scale it down. Commonly we use it to scale it down to make compressed output, or to make it easier to upload, to make it easier to streaming, and so on. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.